Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use shortcut key to delete rows. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the row which you want to delete. So after selecting the row, press Ctrl and minus. So you can see when you will press Ctrl and minus, the row is deleted. So if you want to delete multiple row, then select the row which you want to delete, then again press Ctrl along with minus. So you can see all selected row are deleted. So guys, in this way you can use shortcut key to delete rows in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.